What's going on, guys? Welcome to another ticker fee video and welcome to the channel if this is your first time. So what I like to do is break down current events. I like to talk about specific stocks, what's going on, what the stocks are all about, why are they being affected, how are they being volatile. So welcome to the channel. So the stock that we're going to be talking about today is Mullen Automotive, or ticker symbol MULN. So as you can see right there on Wikipedia, just for a quick reference, they are a public American electric car company trading on the NASDAQ. Now, currently, you can see that the price is $1.77. Now, what I wanted to do is pull up the chart real quick and just kind of give you, again, another reference. In September the 22nd, 2021, roughly around that time, it was $8.45. Now, it had a peak towards the end of the year, fourth quarter, November the 4th, 2021, at $13. Okay, so now keep that in mind. Now, when you fast forward to where we're at today, we had a pretty major drop off. Now, what you'll hear from people is buy the dip. Now, I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but what I'm saying is if you are trying to purchase it and you believe in the company, in long-term reference, you're going to be able to see that this is an opportunity to buy it at a cheaper price, and then in long term you'll be able to see that it might be able to go back and float around that or hover 10x to what it is right now. So let's kind of dive a little deeper if you've never heard of the company. First thing I want you to notice is just a quick key takeaways of volatility. So traders often seek out of the market most volatile stocks in order to take advantage of the intraday price action and short-term momentum strategies. Several online screener tools can help you identify and narrow down the list of volatile stocks that you wish to trade. And volatility, which potentially profitable, is also risky and can lead to larger losses. I got that from Investopedia. Really good website for you to be able to understand, the basics of when it comes to education and just understanding the market. Okay, so Mullen, we make clean energy alternatives that are efficient, economical, and most important, easy. They say they needed a change. So if you look, what's great about it, if you click on the first main page, you'll be able to fast forward from July 2014, right? Acquisition of COD Automotive. And then you fast forward to where we're at uh, here at the beginning of first quarter of 2022. And as you can see, they've gone through different acquisition purchases, renaming the company Mullen Energy, opening up its first Mullen retail location, the Mullen Funding Corp launch, the partnership with the Next Tech batteries. And so you can see that through time, they are just continuing to build their infrastructure, which is great. That's what you want to see. You want to understand that they are making what we like to call progress, okay? Which, let's continue. Then if you fast forward to the investor relations page, again, it'll show you roughly what the price is. And then it'll show you some of the latest news. So you've got EV manufacturer Mullen announces progress on the solid state polymer battery pack development. You've got the names Automotive, a top penny stock to buy in March, according to the financial website Insider Monkey. And then you've got March 14th, which is going to be today. Mullen featured on Car Buzz, the 5 EV crossover production plans and market strategy discussed. Okay, so let's talk about the battery, the next generation of battery technology. Now, this I feel like is a great opportunity to be in this sector, specifically the battery. So you got lithium sulfur. So like everything else we do, Mullen believes technology should be efficient, economical, and easy. So if you fast forward, Mullen is partnered with Next Tech batteries, like we just discussed, an industry leader in battery technology, to develop lithium sulfur batteries for 5 and for the family of EV vehicles. Okay, so the lithium battery far exceeds the industry norm. The batteries, when it comes to weight and cost advantages. So here are some of those pinpoints. You've got 5x more energy density, 50% less cost per watt hour, exceptional safety profile, and sustainability sourced and manufactured. Continue to scroll down and you'll be able to see Staying 3 steps ahead, solid state batteries. So what are they talking about? Okay, so with the type of battery that they have, it gives them an opportunity. For example, with this car, range estimate of 325 miles, electronically limited at 155 miles per hour max, and then 0 to 60 to 3.2, which I think is great. Okay, so what I want to also point out is if you actually go to Yahoo Finance, if you just kind of um, understand the interface. It's pretty straightforward. It gives you an opportunity to see what trending tickers are, calendars, most active gainers, and so on and so forth. Today, Mullen was pretty active when it comes to the volume of the stocks being bought and sold. So why is Mullen Automotive, MULN, ticker symbol stock up 70% this week? So as this week uh, wins to a close, many electric vehicle stocks finished in the red, but Tesla, Rivian have been falling all day. Another EV player has been rising, which is Mullen, and they've been turning heads all week since a battery breakthrough since Mullen's stock shooting up. Now, many eyes are watching, right? And that's exactly why I wanted to bring it up. It's about those batteries. So it picked up plenty of momentum from there, shared closed higher by 26%. Importantly, this brings its gain for the past 5 days to 72%. So keep that in mind. Now it says why it matters. It's no secret that battery production is the key, just like we discussed. Mullen's achievement could certainly prove significant. Now here's the great thing about the battery. Not only they could use it for their stocks, but if they wanted to, they could actually sell those batteries to other companies as well, another source of income. And so I just wanted to bring that up and point that out to you. All right, so let's see what else is going on. Just like what I mentioned earlier with the latest news, you've got Car Buzz. Okay, so it was announced a recently published feature by Car Buzz highlighting the company's high-performance EV crossover, the Mullen 5. With over 9 million monthly visits, Car Buzz is the world's premier car-related news site and app that covers the industry's latest happenings in the world of automakers, sports cars, muscle cars, supercars, trucks, SUVs, off-roading, and everything in between. So that is a pretty significant state of news. And so I just wanted to pull up the website itself, Car Buzz. I wanted to check it out. So they've got shopping tools, car reviews, car finder, company cars, best cars, sell used cars, new cars. And so you can see they've got plenty of features all related to cars. And so this is great information. And it's another marketing tool for the company. Now, what else is manipulating your stock, positive or negative? U.S. oil tumbles more than 8%, dips below $100 per barrel. So U.S. oil tumbled on Monday, $100 per barrel. West Texas Intermediate crude futures, the U.S. oil benchmark, lost 8.75% to trade on 99.76 per barrel. Even with the big decline with both Brent crude, the international benchmark and WTI are still up more than 30% for the year, which is, keep in mind, 3 months. Okay, so Tesla has bought aluminum from Russia company Rusal since 2020, showing how war complicates supply chain. So Tesla and SpaceX CEO Elon Musk has vocally supported Ukraine since Russia began its brutal invasion. But Tesla, like most other large automakers, has ties to at least one Russian supplier. So in late 2020, Tesla began to procuring aluminum from Rusal, the Russian metal giant founded by sanctioned oligarch Oleg, who, according to invoices obtained by CNBC. Now, the aluminum can be used, among other things, for casting to make body shells for the Tesla Model Y and has been used in production trials on new manufacturing lines at the Tesla plant in Germany. All right, so then we fast forward, and then the last current event, Putin's invasion of Ukraine, will knock 30 years of progress off the Russian economy. So why did I speak about the Tesla situation? Well, the reason why I'm bringing that up is because when you're looking at these stocks, where are they finding their minerals? Where are they finding their sources to make the materials? Is it external or internal pieces of material, right? Is it software or hardware? It all just depends. So keep in mind, it can be affected in a short term, chronic, or acute term limits on these situations. So Vladimir Putin's war on Ukraine and the global response, so it will drastically alter Russia's economic future. As the country economy collapses, the exodus of global brands will give rise to a profound shift in the middle class citizen will make and spend their money. Experts say that the coming period of Russian economic isolation could last as 5 years, but more likely will be measured in decades. So, guys, I really do appreciate it. And until then, I'll catch you later.